Control panel. To remove the control panel, begin by removing the mesh filter. Disconnect the power cords to the control panel by pushing in the tabs and pulling apart the connections simultaneously. Do the same thing to the LED light directly below the control panel. Using a power drill, unscrew the screws holding the metal plate that houses the LED light. Then, remove the LED light and metal plate. Remove the metal plate securing the control panel. Unscrew the two screws holding the control panel in place. Then, remove the control panel. LED lights. Locate the power cords to the LED lights. Push in the tabs and pull simultaneously. Pull the LED light through its housing from the inside of the range hood and pull it out. Control board. Begin by removing the 4 screws holding the top cover in place and remove the top. Remove all 4 screws holding the control panel in place and carefully lift the control panel out. Using pliers, remove all connections to the control panel by pinching the tops of the connections gently and pulling up. Capacitors. Start by removing the connections to the capacitors by gently pinching the tops with pliers. Remove the 1 screw holding the capacitor in place, then remove the capacitor.